Hey brands! Ready to scale your campaign? First, head over to the creator community and select campaigns. Find your active campaign and click copy URL right next to your status bar. Now, just paste the link directly into your DMs or outreach messages. Pro tip, drop an arrow emoji so creator knew exactly where to click. Creators, once you receive your invite link from the brand, simply tap to open it. Review the campaign details and rewards, then hit join. Choose your login method. If you're authenticating via TikTok, make sure you're logged in into your correct professional handle. Click continue to safely link your account. Don't worry, this is an industry standard purely used to verify your identity and track your quality performance KPIs. Enter the security code sent to your phone or email. Finally, complete your profile details and connect your Stripe payout account to launch your dynamic campaign timeline. And that's it! Your application is sent and you're officially ready to participate and earn. Let's get to posting!